Yeah, boy. Got the first Supra in the garage today. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Back on the Supra again. He hit me up, say he picked up a frequency, intelligence exhaust. As you can see, it has the variable valves for the muffler to let out more sound. This is pretty dope ass exhaust. Pretty expensive too, but very well made. If you never heard of this company, they do a lot of exhaust for exotic cars, which would include your Porsches, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, things of that nature. They do some regular cars. I believe the 370Z is one of them. Kia Stinger, Toyota Supra, if you want to call that's regular. But it's pretty dope exhaust. So, finna get ready to get started on it. Oh, new mod he did since I worked on it. Yellow tint on the lights. But yeah, man, let's get into it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that subscribe, like, or comment button like the last button of the combo breaker.
If it wasn't for that, then I think I'd really get GTO.
All right, y'all. Pretty simple removal process. Right here is 2 mounts that hold it. Another 2 there. And then you got this one hanger here. And then the hanger that y'all see, that block. Yep, right there where the light is focused on. That's it. And then unbolt the slip joint. And it's ready to come off. Took me more time getting the right sockets and everything. Also, that little aluminum brace, it is bolted here and here. Same thing on that side. And then it extends back to this bolt. Same thing on that side. But the extra one, I believe, not that one. I think it's this one right here. Yeah, it's that one right there, I believe. But you'll know it. It's one of these little small 8mm that hold it. I think it's actually this one. That's why it's out. Not 8mm. I think it's 7mm if I'm not mistaken. But that holds it, and then the exhaust come down. I suggest putting jack stands or something to catch the muffler section, because it will drop. Now I gotta get to getting these hangers off. There and there, and then swapping this factory valvetronic motor over to that one up there. So I'm finna get that done, then I'll be back with y'all. Alright, y'all, most difficult part so far is getting the spring clock right. And it's really just a semicircle. You can see how it goes. Put the semicircle in there, and it has a, you can kind of see that small hump that goes inside the circle. Line it up, and you line that one up, then it goes right in there for the valve. But let me finish assembling this, and I think I'm gonna try to hang the muffler first. Since it's heavy, go ahead and hang it, and then I can put the mid pipes in between, and then go ahead and put the tips up. All right, y'all, got them fitted up. How we're gonna fit it? Tips have a lot of adjustment. That has adjustment. We angle them up some. If you want to, you can angle them down, lower, have more gap around there. But the customer wanted a tighter gap there, so we centered it. Same here. This, wish I could get it tagged closer. Maybe I can, but I think that weld is gonna stop me from getting it over. but I'll try again. But I'm finna snug up the rest of it. Still gotta wire it. I love the gold color and finish with it. But yeah, pretty easy, man. Went on pretty easy. Not much time into this, even figuring it out. I think I'm gonna spend more time wiring it than I would installing it. Alright, y'all, finally got everything hooked up. Going for a test drive. The valves are open. I'm gonna leave the windows down, then I'm gonna do a windows up. Mirrors.
It pop out.
Yes. Just had a cop pass by. Has a nice tone. You can actually hear the turbo spool. Like another car, man. Nah. Man, you gotta love that sound. That sounds crazy, man.
Sick, man, I'm telling you.
If I wasn't in the car and I was behind the wall in the house, I would think somebody with a Porsche or Lamborghini or something is coming through with a nice ass exhaust.